Hey guys, I'm Farmer Nick and we're out here at Denver Green School once again. And today we're going to be putting, instead of hoops over our crops, we're going to be putting bamboo sticks. And what people normally use hoops for is to keep their row cover up off of the crops. And if you remember, we used row cover just a few weeks ago to help decompose some of our cover crop or germinate some of the seedlings or some of the seeds that we just planted. This time we're trying to keep the row cover a little bit up off the ground. Now that all of our seeds have germinated and sprouted, we want to keep the row cover up and off of the crop. So we're still going to be preventing heavy precipitation and pests from messing with what we're growing here, so that we continue to retain moisture near the surface level of our crops. And so if you don't have hoops at home, using something like bamboo sticks or really any sticks that you can find to keep your row cover up off your crop will be super helpful. So as you can see here, I've kind of spaced out my sticks. We don't have a huge bed here, so I'm only going to line up 4 sticks on either side, and we're going to stick them in shallowly, and we're going to kind of make sort of a tent-like structure. And we got to be careful not to interfere with anything that's already planted. So we'll put them at the edge, and I'm just going to stick them in shallowly. And since we don't have like a very wide row cover, I'm also going to keep them pretty low, because otherwise the row cover will not really work. It won't really cover the crops. So we'll keep them nice and low, but high enough to raise the cover up off of the crops. So we made our little tent, and now we can fold our row cover right back over top. After we've gotten our row cover kind of loosely laid back on top, we can put our rocks back over the cover crop, or over the row cover, and to pin it down from getting lifted like a sail up into the air. And so that's how we can raise the row cover up off of the beds. Please tune in to our video on Thursday for a lesson on nutrition.